Subject-verb agreement. Your verb must agree with the subject of your sentence. A singular subject must take a singular verb. A plural subject must take a plural verb. Correct, the garage where he kept his antique cars is very old. The garage, main subject, where he kept, auxiliary verb, his antique cars is, main verb, very old. Garage, is. Garage, are? Of course not. The violation of this rule can potentially have disastrous consequences in technical or procedural writing. When the red light starts to flash, make sure one of the following gates are closed and locked within 2 seconds, Gate A at the north sector. Gate B at the south sector. Gate C at the east sector. The correct sentence should read one of the following gates is closed and locked. It's clear that only one of the gates should be closed and locked. But if the reader is concentrating on the verb are, they can easily think that all the gates should be closed. That could create a disaster in a panic situation. If the red light is a fire alert, people can get trapped and burned if the operator shuts down all the gates by mistake. Watch your grammar and write clean procedures that have no room for any misunderstandings. Write tight. Stay bright. Serve right. Thanks for watching. tcc6.com